I'm Harris Buddig, the Patagonia Northern Rockies fly fishing rep, here at Yellow Dog to talk about our new and exciting updated black hole duffels. This year, we are going to take the next step further in our recycled TPU story and employ it in all of our black hole duffels, both the 100 liter, 70, 55, and 40. Here I have the 100 liter duffel, which is the largest duffel in the lineup that we have. And to talk about recycled TPU, essentially TPU is the coating that goes on the bag. TPU or thermopolyurethane is practically in everything. It's in your pen cap, in your computer. We were able to find out a way to recuperate or recycle that recycled TPU and re-admonish it back onto our bags. So this is an industry first. By switching to this recycled TPU, it drastically reduces the emissions by 89% to make these bags, which gives us the next step forward in being the most responsible company that we can be. And then here we have the 70 liter black hole duffel, utilizing that recycled TPU. I like the 70 liter because for more of my saltwater trips, because I'm carrying usually just a couple sun hoodies and lightweight pants, and I don't have to bring as many like mid layers or outer layers on my trip. So the 70 liter still in that check bag realm fits that bill perfectly. You do still have the removable backpack straps. This bag also collapses into its own pocket as well. And this is a perfect bag for a 1 to 2 week excursion with lighter weight clothes. So yeah, come on down to Four Corners or give us a call here at Yellow Dog and we'd be happy to get you dialed in one of these new duffels.